Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of this ski and do build. In part 1 you saw me cut the cocobolo, the deer antler and the buffalo horn for the bolster. In this part I'm going to square everything up, sand it all down and get everything glued up. But before we go in any further with the video, if you'd just like to smash that subscribe button, that'll keep you up to date with any future videos and hopefully enjoy. Guys, that's almost everything got a nice square edge that's going to be glued up together. The cocobolo and the deer antler fits nicely together. I can't see no gaps through it, and it's the same for the cocobolo divider and the buffalo horn bolster. Now there's still shaping to be done for the buffalo horn, and obviously everything's got to have to be rounded out, but once we get the glue up and we can start measuring out where we need to get where the blade needs to go and the aluminium spacers that need to go in between, I'll just move on to that. Right guys, that's everything sanded down to a nice finish, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue these two parts, the main body, which is the deer antler and the cocobolo, glue these two parts together for all three of them with 2-part epoxy, clamp them down, and once they're curing I'm actually going to follow up with some file work for the top of the ski and do's. I'm going to do that while they're curing, and then we'll take the rest of the video from there. Right guys, what I'm going to do first before I actually start on the original blade is I've got a similar blade, the same markings, on a little boot knife that I made a long time ago. I'm going to try the file work on here first, just to see what it looks like before I actually do the original blades, just in case it doesn't work out the way I want it to work out. So what I'll do is I'll take you through that, and then we'll obviously copy the pattern onto the other 3 blades. There we go guys, just a simple design. And I think that would look quite nice, running all the way up the blade up to around about here. Right guys, that concludes the video for today. We've got quite a bit done. We got all 3 bodies glued to the backs, and we also got a tester done for the ski and do spine. The file work actually turned out very well on the tester. I think I'm going to continue that over the 3 blades. I think I'll put a really nice touch to the ski and do's once they're complete. And on the next video, what I'm actually going to do is do the file work for all 3 blades, set up the bolster and the dividers, glue them together ready for it to be attached to the main body, and more sanding by the looks of it. Hope you can join me in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. Keep up to date with the videos. There's a lot more to come in the future, and hopefully my video gets better and my editing gets better. So hopefully I'll see you in the next video, and cheers for coming.